Good evening, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We are looking right now at one of the most unusual trees I've ever seen. And as a tree lover, I always like to highlight trees that are just completely unique, and they can be unique for a lot of reasons. In this case, this tree is unique because of its enormous size. Now, this is a weeping bottlebrush tree, and it's growing underneath the canopy of a large oak tree. So the whole tree has gone off to the side, to the right. It's grown towards the sunlight and had to reach out from underneath that canopy of the oak tree. But this tree still manages to be 30 feet tall and 30 to 35, maybe even 40 feet wide. Weeping bottlebrush tree. We sell these. Now normally they don't look like this, but this is a multi-trunk tree. You can get these as single trunk, which is called standard, or multi-trunk, which might have 2 or 3 or 4 trunks. This tree has, it looks like 9 trunks. And it is just enormous. Bottlebrush always has a little red flower, and this one is no exception, although right now it's mostly bare. It has very few flowers on it, but still, just because of its size, it is extremely rare. So, weeping bottlebrush, we have these. They are for sale. All you have to do is reach out to us through the website, thetreeplanters.com, and we'll get one for you. Have a great day.